This one, pair of straight lines. There is a line L1, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. Line L2, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E. Here D and E never satisfy line L1 and line L2. Point A will satisfy line L1 and line L2. Point B will satisfy only line L1 because B lies on line L1. Point C will satisfy line L2. Joint or combined equation. Is equal to product of lines L1 into L2 equal to 0. Reference point, make right hand side 0. Make right hand side 0. So make right hand side value is 0. So product of these two. Now L1 A1x plus B1y plus C1 into A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. S of A. Point A will satisfy line L1 and line L2. So 0 into 0. S of B. Point B will satisfy only line L1. So 0 into L of B. This is the line L2 of B. Line L2. S of C. C lies on line L2. So point C will satisfy only line L2. So L1 of C into 0 equal to 0. Let's note point. We consider pair of straight lines as a conic curve. We consider pair of straight lines as a conic curve, like circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. All the rules of conic applicable here. All the rules of conic applicable here. Okay, we consider pair of straight lines as a conic curve. So cycle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, all the rules of conic curve is applicable here. If two curves S1 and S2, if two curves S1 and S2, then joint equation S equals S1 into S2 equal to 0. Two curves S1 S2 given, then joint equation What joint equation? Your joint equation will be S1 into S2, product of their curves equal to 0. To make joint equation and make right hand side 0. Make right hand side 0. F of x comma y equal to 0 and g of x comma y equal to 0. Then the joint equation f of x comma y into g of x comma y equal to 0. Very important point, to make joint equation, make right hand side 0. Right hand side value is 0. Then the joint equation is the product of the two curves, f of x comma y into g of x comma y. For example, 2x minus 3y equal to 7, 5x plus 6y equal to 9. 2x minus 3y into 5x plus 6y equal to 7 into 9. It is not a joint equation. But joint equation కావాలంటే ఏం లేదండి, right? Make right hand side is 0. Now 2x minus 3y, 7 will take left hand side, minus 7 equal to 0. 5x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now joint equation is 2x minus 3y minus 7 into 5x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. A general, fourth point, a general 2-degree equation. A general 2-degree equation in x and y ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. A general 2-degree equation in x and y can be given as a general two-degree equation can be given as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So note 1, we consider pair of straight lines as a conic curve. All the rules of conic is applicable here. Two curves s1 s2 are given, then joint equation will be product of s1 into s2 equal to 0. To make joint equation, make right hand side 0. Right hand side value must 0. 0 check చేసుకోవాలి మనం. So f of x comma y equal to 0 one carbon, g of x minus y equal to 1 carbon. Then the joint equation is f of x comma y into g of x comma y equal to 0. A general 2-degree equation can be given as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. What is the general 2-degree equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. pair of straight lines circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Pair of straight lines circle, this one parabola, ellipse, okay. Pair of straight lines ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 represents pair of straight lines or cycle or parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. Cut. Now cycle generated. Cycle generated. Cut. Here ellipse generated. Cut. This one is parabola. Parabola generated. This one is pair of straight lines. Generated here pair of straight lines. Next one is a parabola. Parabola over, pair of straight lines over, and ellipse generated a cycle generated. Next one hyperbola. This one is hyperbola. This one is hyperbola generated. I hope you are understanding. Now, fifth note point, written point 1, fifth point. Next, fifth point, written point 1. In general 2-degree equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 represents pair of straight lines if delta equals 0. In general 2-degree equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines if delta equal to 0. If delta is abc plus 2fgh minus f square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. What is delta here? abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Delta determinant form. Diagonal elements are a, b, c. Diagonal elements are a, b, c. h, g, f. Again h, g, f. Memorize this one equal to 0. Now diagonal elements are a, b, c. Remaining hgf and hgf. Determinant form delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0, then s will represent a pair of straight lines. Delta equal to 0, then s will be represents pair of straight lines. I hope you understand. It's important point. Just memorize it. So then S will represent a pair of straight lines. 6th point, delta not equal to 0. It can be circle or parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. Okay. If delta equal to 0, here S will represent a pair of straight lines. Delta not equal to 0, then S will represent circle or parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. I hope you are understanding. Ax square, 2-degree equation, ax square 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is a pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So general equation will represent pair of straight lines. It means a product of two lines equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now we take a quadratic in x. What is quadratic in x? Ax square plus 2x and 2x, bring outside 2x, 2 times of hy plus g into x plus by square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is like ax square plus bx plus c is a constant. It is a quadratic in x. So roots of x. What is roots of x? X equal to roots of x minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4az by 2a. Roots of x minus b. So minus of 2 times of hy plus g plus or minus square root of b square hy 2 times of, so 4, so hy plus z whole square, b square minus 4az 4 times of a 4a c is by square plus 2fy plus c by 2a, 2 into a is a. Okay, here roots of x, it is a quadratic in x. What is the roots of x? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Can you observe under square root? Under square root should be perfect square. This one should be perfect square. So can we observe this one is quadratic in y. This one is quadratic in y. So x equals minus 2 times of hy plus z plus or minus square root of q of y, quadratic in y. Y, it is only quadratic in y by 2a. So square root of quadratic in y, it should be perfect square and discriminant equals 0. Discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0 means delta equal to 0. Now ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It means delta equal to 0. Pair of straight lines and pair of straight lines represent just the delta equal to 0. Let's note point 7. It is an important point. To find separate equations of line 1, L1 and L2, solve ax square plus by square plus 2xy plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 as quadratic in x or in y. Already మనం చేసాం కదా, ఇంకా ప్రూవ్ చేసాం కదా. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి దానికి సెపరేట్ చేయాలి మనం. లైన్ L1 లైన్ L2 మనం సెపరేట్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసామండి. సో క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇన్ x ఆర్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇన్ y అని మనం సెపరేట్ చేసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ x అయినా పర్లేదు, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ సెపరేట్ ఎలా వస్తుందంటే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ x తీసుకున్నా పర్లేదు, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ y తీసుకున్నా పర్లేదు. ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం మనం? ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ hy plus g into x. Now by square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Roots of x. What roots of x? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Under square root ఏం వస్తుందంటే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇన్ y వస్తుంది. అది చేసాం కదా, ఆ వేను మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి మనం 2 లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ సెపరేట్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ ప్రొసీజర్. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. నెక్స్ట్ టు ఫైండ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. సో పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఇస్ a. To find point of intersection, that is a. It is the point of intersection of these two lines, line L1 and line L2. Line L1 and line L2. Now differentiate ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 with respect to x and y partially, then solve obtained questions. Here differentiation and partially differentiation. What is the difference between these two? Differentiation and partially differentiation. Example, y square equals 8x. Y square equals 8x. So general differentiation. Differentiation with respect to x. Now 2y dy by dx equal to, with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x is 1, so equal to 8. It is general differentiation. y square equal to 8x. So y square derivative with respect to x, 2y derivative of y is dy by dx with respect to x. That's why dy by dx. 8x x is a constant. So here x is a variable with respect to x. With respect to means this one is 1. 8 into 1 8. Now partial differentiation. Partially differentiation with respect to x treated as by constant. Now with respect to y treated as x as a constant. Okay, what is the difference between general differentiation and partial differentiation? It is a normal differentiation is under the normal differentiation. Partial differentiation with respect to x treated y as a constant, with respect to y treated as x constant. First with respect to x, what is with respect to x? It is a general 2-degree equation. So your partial differentiation with respect to x. So x square 2x by treated y as a constant, complete constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. 2hxy. So differentiation with respect to x 1 into this value 2hxy 2hy 2gx. Here differentiation with respect to x, so plus 2z. So y is constant 0, constant is 0, so equal to 0. 2x plus 2hxy 2hy plus 2z equal to 0. Next, partial differentiation with respect to y. With respect to y means x is a constant. So x is constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. by square. Now 2by. Now here with respect to y, so y is 1 into 2hx. So here with respect to y, so x is constant. So differentiation of constant is 0 plus 2f by, so 2f equal to 0. This is line equation L3. This is line equation L4. Now solve L3 and L4. We get point of intersection. We get the point of intersection. So we get A, point A. It is a procedure. I hope you are understanding. It is a normal differentiation. This one is a partial differentiation. Partial differentiation means partial differentiation with respect to x. So treat y as a constant. Partial differentiation with respect to y, treat x as a constant. Next, note point. Next note. Eight. What is general 2-degree equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. The angle between the lines, theta. The angle between the lines, theta. Here theta equal to tan inverse modulus 2 times of square root of x square minus ab by a plus b. A plus b. It is a formula theta equal tan inverse 2 times of x square minus ab by a plus b. Case 1, h square is equal to ab. H square equal to ab. Case 2, h square less than ab. Case 3, h square greater than ab. Case 4, a plus b equal to 0. H square equal to ab. The lines will be parallel. H square less than ab. Lines will be imaginary. H square greater than ab in two distant intersecting lines. Two distant intersecting lines, h square greater than ab. Two distant intersecting lines. A plus b equal to 0. Lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. The angle between the lines theta equal to tan inverse 2 times of modulus 2 times of square root of x square minus ab by a plus b. H square equal to ab, the lines will be parallel. H square less than ab, lines will be imaginary. H square greater than ab, two distant intersecting lines. A plus b equals 0. It means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. For example, 5x square plus 15xy minus 5y square plus 8x minus 9y plus 11 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 5, coefficient of y square is minus 5. Here a plus b equal to 0. So perpendicular lines. Lines are perpendicular. I hope you are understanding. Here a plus b equal to 0, lines are perpendicular. What is the parallel lines or what is the intersecting lines? X plus y plus 3 into x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. Here lines are parallel lines. X plus y plus 5 whole square equal to 0. Coincident lines. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Next problem. Find lambda if x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 2x plus lambda equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. It represents this one represents a pair of straight lines. It means delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0. What is delta? ABC plus 2F 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. So delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0 means abc plus 2fgh minus af square plus minus bg square minus a square equal to 0. Now compare general 2 degree equation. Now ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Ax square and x square. Now a equal to 1, b equal to 1, 2h equal to minus x, h equal to minus 3, 2gx, so g equal to minus 1, 2fy, now f equal to 0, there is no y term. So constant c equal to lambda, c equal to lambda. Now a, b, c. Now a1, b1, c1. a1, b1, c is a lambda plus 2 into f. F is 0. 0 into anyone is 0. Enter time is 0. Minus af square, a into f, 0. Minus b, g square, b, g square, 1 into 1, 1. ch square, c lambda, h square is 9 lambda equal to 0. Lambda minus 9 lambda, 8 lambda. Actually minus 8 lambda, we'll take right hand side plus 8. So 8 lambda equal to minus 1. Now lambda equal to minus 1 by 8. This is the value of lambda. Next one, find the value of lambda if equation x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 2x plus lambda equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. This one represents a pair of straight lines. It means delta equal to 0. And also point of intersection of these straight lines. How to calculate it? Point of intersection, partially differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y. Solve these two equations, we get a point of intersection. Angle between them theta equal to tan inverse 2 times of square root of h square minus ap by a plus b. They are separate equations. How to calculate separate equations? Enter this term, enter equation 1 in terms of quadratic in x or quadratic in y lo separate cheskunte ayipotundi problem. I will explain. So this is the question. First one is find the value of lambda. It represents pair of straight lines. It means delta equal to 0. What is delta? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. The value of A 1, the value of B 1, the value of C already calculated chesam manam same problem. What is the value of C? First value of H, 2H equal to minus 6, H equal to minus 3. So AX square plus BY square plus 2HXY plus 2GX plus 2FY plus C equal to 0. Compare this one. So 2z equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1. Already chesamandi, lambda equal to minus 1 by 8 ochindi. So now 2f equal to 0, c equal to lambda. A equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to lambda. Plus 2fgh 0 minus af square 0 minus bg square. B is 1, g square. So 1 into 1, 1. Now plus c into h square. C is lambda, h square equal to 9. So sorry, this one is minus ch square. So minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Now lambda equal to how much? Minus 1 by 8. So the equation will be x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 2x minus 1 by 8 equal to 0. This is the equation. First one is over. Next, point of intersection of these straight lines. We need to calculate dou by dou x with respect to x, dou by dou y with respect to y. Here with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x, it means y treating y constant. Y మనం pure constant గా consider చేయాలి. So x square differentiation to x is a constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. 6xy. So x with respect to x, differentiation of x is 1. 1 into 6y. 6y is a constant. 1 into 6y, 6y. This one is a minus 2 equal to 0. Next. Differentiation with respect to y. Treat x as a constant. X as a constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. Y square is 2y. Y is 1 minus 6y. 6y 6x. So it's constant 0. So equal to 0. Now this will be x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So here y equal to 3x. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So y equal to 3x. So y value substitute చేస్తే మనకి x వస్తుంది కదా. So x minus 3x 9x minus 1 equal to 0. So 8 minus 8x minus 8x equal to 1. X equal to minus 1 by 8. So y value is minus 3 by 8. So what is the point of intersection of straight lines? Point of intersection is minus 1 by 8 comma minus 3 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 comma minus 3 by 8. Next one is angle between them. Angle theta equal to tan inverse 2 times of square root of h square minus ab by a plus b. Now tan inverse 2 times of h square, which equal to 3 square 9 minus ab 1 by a plus b 2. 2 cancelled out. Now tan inverse of square root of 8. Tan inverse the square root of 8. Square root of 8 is 4 2s are no? Yes, 4 2s are 8. Now tan inverse 2 root 2. What is the angle? Tan inverse 2 root 2. Next problem is separate equations. Separate the equations. What is given? X square plus y square minus 6xy minus 2x plus lambda equal to 0. మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇన్ వైలో మనం సపరేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 it's a multiple of it for also multiple of it. Bring outside 2x 2 times of, so this length is 2x minus 3y. So minus 3y into 2x is minus 6xy. So bring outside 2x, so minus 1 plus y square plus lambda. It is a constant equal to 0. X square minus of 2 times of 3y plus 1 into x plus y square plus lambda equal to 0. Roots of x, it is a quadratic in x. It is a quadratic in x. Ax square plus bx plus c. It is a constant to s square plus lambda. Now x equal, what is the roots of x minus b, applying minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is by 2a formula. So minus b, minus of minus plus 2 times of 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 4 times of 3y plus 1 whole square. B square minus 4ac, a is 1, c is y square plus lambda. Actually here lambda is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. For AC minus 1 by 8 by 2a. 2 into a is 2. Bring outside 4. So 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of 3y square 9y square plus 1 2ab plus 6y. This one is minus 4y square minus of minus plus 1 by 2 by 2a. So 2. Here x equal to 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of 9y square minus 4y square 5y square plus 6y plus 1 by 2 by, actually there is no 2, so square root of 4 is 2, 2 by 2 cancel out, 2 by 2 cancel out, bring outside 2, so 2 cancel out. So under square root should be perfect square. Perfect square అయితే మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. Okay, small mistake here. 4 bring outside 4. Bring outside 4 అంటే మనకి 4th మల్టిపుల్ చేయకూడదు, బై మిస్టేక్ రాంగ్ చేసాము కూడా. సో 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of, so 3y whole square 9y square plus 1 plus 2ab 6y. Now here only minus y square minus of minus plus 1 by 8. I hope you are understanding. Now x equal to 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of 9y square minus y square 8y square plus 6y plus 1 plus 1 by 8, 9 by 8. Under square root should be perfect square. This one is 2 root 2 into y whole square. 2 root 2 into y whole square. A square. This one is 3 by 2 root 2 whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a 2 root 2 into y. 2a b. What is a b? 3 by 2 root 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 root 2 root cancel. 2 3 is 6. 6 into 1 6y. Yes, it is exactly perfect square. Now x equal to 3y plus 1 plus or minus square root of, this one is 2 root 2 y plus 3 by 2 root 2 whole square. Square root cancelled out. Now x equal to 3y plus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2y plus 3 by 2 root 2. So two line equations. First one is 3y plus 1 plus 2 root 2y plus 3 by 2 root 2. Next x equal to other line equation 3y plus 1 minus 2 root 2y minus 3 by 2 root 2. I hope you are understanding. So your y is there, y bring outside y times of 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 2 root 2. Here x equal to y times of 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 root 2. I hope you are understanding what are the separate equations. 3 plus 2 root 2 into y plus 1 plus 3 by 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2 into y plus 1 minus 3 by 2 root 2. Two line equations. Now, equation 2x square plus xy minus 3y square plus 9x plus 16y equal to 0. Find angle between lines, point of intersection, separate lines. This one similar to previous problem. First మనము pair of straight lines ప్రూవ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి 3 ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. ఫస్ట్ pair of straight lines ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి కదా. pair of straight lines ప్రూవ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? డెల్టా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 మనం చూపించాలి. సో డెల్టా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితేనే కదా pair of straight lines. సో డెల్టా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని చూపిస్తేనే pair of straight lines అండి. వాట్ ఇస్ డెల్టా? ABC ప్లస్ 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. Then 0 అని మనం చూపిస్తే pair of straight lines ప్రూవ్ అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు 3 కూడా మనం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దిస్ వన్ AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square plus 2ZX plus 2FY plus C equal to 0. A value is here A equal to 2, B equal to minus 3, H equal to 1 by 2, 2H equal to 1, H equal to 1 by 2. Now 2G equal to 9 by 2, F equal to 8, F equal to 8, C equal to 0. 2F equal to 16, F equal to 8, constant, there is no constant, so C equal to 0. This one 0, this one 0, C equal to 0. 2FGH, 2 into F, here F is 8, G 9 by 2, H is 1 by 2. 2 4 36, this one, minus AF square, A is 2, F square, F is 8, 8 square 64. Minus BG square, B is minus 3, G square 9 square 81 by 4. This one 0. Small correction. Your constant C equal to minus 5. Minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this is the right equation. So the value of C, what is the value of C? Minus 5. The value of C equal to minus 5. Now ABC 2 into 3 minus 6. Minus of minus plus 6 5 is 30 plus 2 into FGH. F is 9 by 2, G is 9 by 2, F is 8, H is 1 by 2. So equals 2 into 2, 436. Next. Minus AF square, here A is 2, F is 8, 8 square 64, 128, minus 128. Now BG square, B is minus 3, G square 81 by 4. B is minus 3, G square 81 by 4. So minus of minus plus 243 by 4 minus CH square. C is minus 5, H square, H equal to 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus of minus plus 5 by 4. Now 66 minus 128 plus take LCM 4, 248, 4 6 4 2 4 6 24, 4 2 8. So 62 plus 66, 128 minus 128. So hence proved. So pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines కాబట్టి మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఈజీగా యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద లైన్స్ చెప్పొచ్చు, పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అండ్ సెపరేట్ లైన్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఏ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ θ ఈక్వల్స్ tan inverse 2 times of square root of h square minus ab by a plus b. Substitute the values. Tan inverse 2 times of square root of h square, h equal 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 minus ab, a into b, minus of minus plus 6 by a plus b. A plus b is minus 1, yes, minus 1 modulus. Now tan inverse 2 times of square root of 24 plus 125, 25 by 4. Tan inverse of 2 into 5 by 2. So answer is tan inverse 5. What is the angle between the lines? Tan inverse 5. Next, point of intersection. We need to calculate partially differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y. Partial differentiation with respect to x. With respect to x, y is constant. Treated y as a constant. So 2x square, 4x. Y is constant. Differentiation of x is 1. So plus y. Purely constant 0 plus 9 0 0 equals to 0. Partial differentiation with respect to y. With respect to y means treat x as a constant. So x is a constant, it is 0, x constant. So y with respect to y is 1 into x, x. Now minus 6y constant 0 plus 16 equal to 0. Solve these two equations, we get a point of intersection. Do it yourself. This one multiplied by 4. 4x minus 24y plus 64 equal to 0. Subtract minus plus minus 4x cancelled. 25y plus minus, okay, minus how much difference here? 55 equal to 0. Y equal to minus 55 plus 55 by 25. 5 11 is 5 5 is 11 by 5. Y value substitute either first or second. So the value of y is 11 by 5. 4x plus 11 by 5 plus 9 equal to 0. 4x equal, taking LCM 5 minus half. 5 9 is 45. 45 plus 11, 56. 4 1s are 4, 14s. X equal to minus 14 by 5. What is the point of intersection? Minus 14 by 5 comma 11 by 5. Okay, it is a point of intersection. Next, separate lines. What is the procedure? Separate lines. Total equation name చేయాలి, quadratic in x or quadratic in y లో మనం సెపరేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో 2x square plus here x term, here also available x, bring outside x. So y plus 9 plus minus 3y square plus 16y minus 5 equal to 0. This one is a quadratic in x. Quadratic in x. Roots of x. Minus b. Minus of y plus 9. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square. Y plus 9 whole square. B square minus 4a. A is 2. C. C is minus 3y square plus 16y minus 5 by 2a. 2 into 2, 4. X equals minus of y plus 9 under square root should be perfect square. Simplify చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది perfect square or not. So y square plus 81 a plus b whole square plus 2 9 is 18y 8 minus of minus plus 8 is 24 y square minus 18 to 16 8 for 128 8 16 is 128 minus 128 y minus of minus plus 8 5 is 40 by 4 cross multiple 4x equals minus of y plus 9 plus or minus square root of 24y square plus y square which is 25y square. Now 18 plus 18y minus 128 so minus 110y 81 plus 40 so 121. This one is 5y minus 11 whole square. A square 25y square. B square 121 minus 2ab. 2 5 is 10. 10 into 11 110y is square root cancel out. So 4x equals minus of y plus 9 plus or minus 5y minus 11. First taking positive 4x equals minus y minus 9 taking positive so plus 5y plus minus 11 take negative 4x equals minus of y plus 9 so minus of 5y minus 11 this one is a minus 5y minus of minus plus 11 so this is one line a separate line this is one line this one is the other line. Now 4x this one is a plus 4y. We'll take left hand side minus 4y. This one is a minus 20 plus 20 equals to 0. Now 4x minus y minus 9. So plus 6y. This result is plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. These two are separate lines. I hope you are understanding.